urLive brings you the next generation of calling for video, audio, and instant messaging. Video calls are now as easy as making phone calls, without downloads or installs. They're also crystal clear, featuring HD quality audio and video. Our schedule bot, urL, adds friendly calendar-like functionality and makes arranging calls super simple. urL automatically calls you when the meeting starts, so you'll never be late for a call again. urLive's Infinity Link enables one-click calling. To contact you, callers simply click your link. That's shareable on your website, social media, in email, or SMS text messages. urLive's Infinity Link is also customizable and can be your name, your company, or anything you like. But urLive goes a step further with zero-click calling. Friends or clients can simply type your link into a browser and add "hello" to call you. For those who already have a website, we provide you with a code to embed the urLive widget. When someone is browsing and has a question, they can simply click to call you. Now that's customer service. For businesses, we made team links, which can be configured so that up to 100 team members are rung when a customer calls. Whoever is available first answers the call and serves that customer. It's like having a call centre without the expense. Start your free trial today or test drive the service by calling us now at url.live/hello.
With urLive, it's really just this simple. Get your username before someone else does. Talk to you soon.